Task force formed by Governor Gina Raimondo to combat the opioid crisis held its final meeting of 2018 today, but their focus is on creating strategies for what will be a years-long fight to save lives. Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado joins us now live in studio with the story.
This task force is focused on different ways to get treatment, prevention, and recovery options to opiate users, including Narcan and new initiatives like safe stations in Providence. At today's meeting, the task force members talked about the increased availability of Narcan or naloxone. There was also a presentation by the Miriam Hospital of research they conducted. They surveyed 100 drug users. The vast majority reported using opiate drugs. Michelle McKenzie from the Miriam says most seemed very aware that the deadly opiate fentanyl is now likely laced within all heroin, and some are taking steps to protect themselves from a fentanyl overdose.
People definitely would take protective behaviors knowing that fentanyl is in their drug supply. So people would report starting off with a little bit, using slower, or maybe making sure their sources. So this person at the bottom who would say, I only want drugs that I know came from the pharmacy because, of course, pressed pills can have fentanyl in them.
And McKenzie said she anticipates fentanyl testing strips being used much more in 2019. Those could help prevent overdoses. The task force's next meeting is January 9th. I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.